Okay, so SoCal weather is super nice, don't get me wrong here, but to be honest, I need some gloom in my life. Like, this is like too nice. What is going on, guys? It's your boy Nathan here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today, I'm gonna be going over to Jed's house and we're actually gonna be installing something on my car, which is very essential. I feel like every car should be having this product on their car. We're gonna go ahead and head over to him right now. We're gonna see what's going on with this STI and we're gonna start working on the S2000, and by the end of this video, you'll see what is needed for every car and why it's so essential. Let's go. All right, so we just pulled up to Jed's house. He just finished his work on the intercooler, and now we're looking at our S2000 trunk here. And what I purchased for it is actually a fast flash. So what this is, it's a little braking module that that lets drivers know that you're braking. When you brake, it'll flash 5 times really fast and then 3 times slower and then come to like a full stop. So I don't know really how to explain it. It's just that this module will help a lot just to indicate to drivers that I am braking, because I've been rear-ended before. It's not a good feeling. I hated it. So maybe this will help in the future. So we don't have any issues about, you know, getting rear-ended or anything. And plus, it's just to let drivers know that, you know, I'm coming to a stop, you know, you should come to a stop as well. We're just looking at these, what's it called? These wires right now. And it sucks because I'm shit at electricals and Dog, I'm making a video, dog. Come on. What the fuck? What the? Right, sir? So yeah, we're gonna get this situated. We're gonna find out, you know, how to install this. I've personally never done anything with electricals before, so should be interesting. I hope that I don't fuck this up, but it's me. Knowing me, probably fuck something up. He's cutting it. He's going for okay. All right.
Oh, I broke it.
And it's done. And it's oh fuck.
Ghetto fitting one-on-one.
Broke boy college builds.
For real though. Sponsor us, whoever.
Please. We'll take whoever.
At this point, we'll take whoever.
I know. Alright, do we get the 2 copper? Oh, yep, they're out.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
So where does this go?
So this will go. This will go back here.
Let's see if this works.
Moment of truth.
Watch it not work.
Ready?
Yeah. Aha!
That is sick. Get it? Yeah, I got it. Can you do the
That's how we ghetto fit.
Oh baby, come on. Oh yes! Oh yes! Good? Woo! We did it! Oh man, my car's race car as fuck. Thanks, Jed. Alright, so we just finished the brake light module and we're gonna go ahead and clean things up a little bit. And then we should be good to go. I told you guys, every car needs this. This promotes a lot of safety, and I think this is very essential to, you know. All the what? Tailgaters. Oh yeah, true. All the tailgaters. And then just for general traffic, just to let people know that, you know, you're braking. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this up, and then I'll probably wrap the video up. There we go. Oh damn, that looks good. All right, so I'll leave the product in the description below. Make sure to go check it out. I think it's like $15, so this is a really affordable.
$5 on eBay.
What?
$5 on eBay.
Oh well, fuck. I'd say this is like a. Is it a mod? Would this be a mod? Just like a little.
It's a mod.
Just a slight mod, just a slight mod. Overall, very satisfied with it. Thanks again, Jed, for helping me out. And we'll wrap this back up once I get back. All right, guys, so one last time. Brake light module. Woo! So hot boy. So hot boy. Alright guys, so I just got back from Jed's house. Jed, I want to thank you so much for helping me install the brake light module. I'm sure with electricals, I owe you one. Again, this is a very safe, I guess kind of like a mod. Quotation marks around mod. Very questionable. But I feel like it's a very safe module to have on your car, just to indicate to other drivers, hey, I'm coming to a stop, you should as well. Should help with, you know, traffic situations or just tailgaters in general. I would definitely recommend this product. Make sure to check it out in the description below. I'm gonna have a link down there. I picked mine up for 15 bucks. Jed got his for 5 bucks, so it's entirely up to you guys. You guys could either search for it on your own, get that better pricing, or you could get what I have, and you know, either way it works the same. So doesn't matter. But I want to thank you guys very much for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and if you guys have not subscribed yet, make sure to do so. And if you guys want to be notified by YouTube that I uploaded every Friday and occasionally a Tuesday, make sure to hit that notification bell. Again guys, it's Nathan here, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
Yeah, going ain't like